Hello, good evening. I hope you can hear me. Thank you for joining us. We are just for right now. Okay, so please comment in the comment section that you are able to get me. Let me know if I'm audible enough. Are you people able to get me? So let's make use of the comment section. Are you able to get me? I don't know, why do we have a low attendance today? Where is the people gone? We communicated last night that we are going to proceed, but I can't see. We have very few here. Okay, nevertheless, we're going to proceed. Those that are joining us will find us along the way. Okay. Alright. So, what can you remember from what we learned last night? Please, you can just drop in the comment section. What can you remember from what we learned from last night's session? Are you able to remember anything? Okay. Okay, Venetius is saying we learned how to professionally present yourself. Okay. Yeah, we learned that. What else? Anyone who can remember? Okay, let me proceed. So last night we talked about positioning yourself online as a graphic designer. So we talked about how to set up a profile picture, a professional one. We talked about how to set up your bio. You said you need a bio for you to attract clients. When they come to your profile, they need to know who you are, what you do. Okay, so away from that, tonight we proceed with the next pillar of monetization. Okay, the next pillar of monetization, which is problem. Okay, so let me just see if I can show it here. So embrace problems is foundation for monetization. Wherever you go, when it comes to making money, you can't ignore the problem. anyone who solves problem will make more money than you who doesn't solve any problem. Okay, to make any money, you need to solve a problem. Okay, so how do we relate this to our field as graphic designers? So don't run away from problems. Okay, don't run away from problems. Your relevance is only seen to the degree to which you can solve problems. Okay, most people run away from problems, but please don't run away from problems if you are to make money. If you are running from a problem, you are running away from money. Instead of any problem that you can get to have, you can get to experience people that they are having. See the way that you can provide a solution to it, and you'll be rewarded. Okay? If you find a solution for any problem, you'll be rewarded. Okay? So this isn't just online, it applies everywhere. Okay? Talk of the Bible. We have seen people that solve problems. Okay, talk about David. David solved the problem, killed Goliath. Okay, we see the reward that followed afterwards. Okay, so you solving a problem is number one step to making money as a graphic designer. So don't complain whenever you have a problem. Don't complain. Think of solutions. Okay, think of solutions. When it comes to business, it's about problem solving. That's when you get money, real money. So before you solve any problems for people, make sure that you're not a problem yourself. Alright? You need to make sure that you are not a problem yourself. Please let's comment and let's engage. Are you guys with me? It's very quiet. I can't see anything in the comment section. It's very quiet. Okay. Alright. Okay. Sorry for the noise, for green mute. Yeah. I was fixing something. So we proceed. So I was saying that before you even solve problems for people, you need to make sure that you yourself, you're not a problem. Okay? Because someone else is going to solve you as a problem and make money on you. Okay? Yeah. So how do we solve problems as graphic designers? So as graphic designers, we do provide solutions for businesses, for individuals. Okay? We create good designs that solves the marketing problems. We've got different businesses that are in need of advertising materials. Okay? So we provide that as graphic designers. Okay? So for you not for you to provide to solve these problems well, you need to make sure that you are equipped with a skill, of which I believe that we've gone through the course and we're still honing ourselves. Okay, so we've got businesses suffering because they don't have advertising contents. We've got organizations planning for events, but they lack means of reaching to more people. Okay, to to make even more money, you need to make sure that the designs you are creating are of high quality. Okay, so this is why you must take everything that we've been learning serious. Okay, this is why you must take your practice very serious. It doesn't mean that you are done with the course, you have to stop. No. Okay, so you need to make sure that you create attractive designs, a design that is solving a problem, a design that is meeting the client's needs, not your fellow designer. Okay, so we just don't create those designs, but those designs must boost people's businesses. Okay, it's a goal. It's a win-win deal. Okay, we do the designs for them. Okay, they give us the money, and the designs we've done for them, it should function for them as well. Okay, so you will be solving problems for people. Okay, don't be lazy. Practice. Do your best. Okay, do your best. All right. I hope you are here. Are you able to get me, please? Just kind of help me to comment in the comments, to drop something in the comment section. So it is briefly, I wanted to give that background on problem. And the next thing is products and services. Okay, so what do we mean when you say products and services? A product is simply a thing, okay, person, or anything that is as a result of an action. That is something being produced, okay? Yeah, so your action of practice, your action of putting up the client's information, the layouts, colors, everything, you are going to produce a design. We can call it a product, okay, but we refer it as a service, okay? Refer it to as a service. So people only go for genuine and original products, okay? Right? People are not stupid. That's something you should know. They will go for genuine products. Trust me, no one wants to go for a fake product. No one wants to go to somebody they know doesn't offer good quality service. All right. So you really must put your effort into practicing, into improving yourself, so that people can hire you. All right. There is no way that you are going to be hired if at all you are not able to deliver the work. Okay, so provide value and showcase yourself, present yourself, and you're going to be heard. Okay, so here is the thing. Through my experience as a graphic designer, one of the things that I've noticed, sometimes the designs can speak for you enough. They're enough to speak for you. Sometimes these designs, the work itself can speak for you. You don't have to do pen to talk. Okay, the designs can speak for you. Among other factors that you may not even get clients well is because your designs are not powerful enough to convince the clients. Okay, they're not powerful enough. So people are not stupid, like I mentioned. They will only go for the value, even when they don't have money. Okay, so when investors right now, the people that are making money, you see that they are pointing at something. Okay, so you also need something to point at as you. So I think I need to So there's nothing like last time I mentioned that there's nothing that you need to follow on the on uh, on my screen. Okay, the sliders that are there is not something that you can follow. Okay, they're just there to guide me. That I've talked about this and that. It's not full. It's not the full notes. That was I said that you should come with a notebook so that you can write yourself. Okay, so you can't expect high paying clients if your designs are terrible. Okay, there's nowhere on earth for you to expect good payment, for you to see to get to work for those high ticket clients. You need to make sure that your work is also of high ticket, it's of high quality. Okay, you need to make sure that your work is also of high quality. Please improve on your designs, improve on your work, improve, practice every day. Okay, practice every day. Be good at your craft, master your craft. Let that day when there's an opportunity, that day when there's an opportunity to get a high paying client, to be hired, to work for a company, when they ask for your work, let's not anything regarding your work bring you down or make you lose that deal. Okay? So put in your best. Become good at your craft. Okay? Getting clients, but let not designs can fix. Your designs can be fixed. You can. Okay, so do what you can to improve. All right, I'm not just saying that you should end learning from here. No, learning doesn't stop here, and learning will never stop. Okay, I hope you are following. Are we together? Are we together, please? Let me have your comments so that I know that you are following. So, the next point, I think others are coming back to them later on. So, the next point is people. Okay, people. Okay, hey, how come it's not here? That's red went away. Okay, fine, fine. It is well. So, people, yes, people, just people. It's one of the pillars that play a crucial role in monetizing your skill. People are important, okay? People are important, please. They are important. Have the money you are looking for. Look, come on, the money you're looking for, people. So that's why they're important. Money does not hide with monkeys. Money does not hide with dogs, with donkeys. The money is with people. Okay? I don't know how many billions are there, but they are not whatever you may think of, but they are with people. They may be in a bank, but they belong to people. Okay? So people are important. Money hides with people. Okay? Money hides with people. So get the people, solve their problem. That's the only way that you get to make the money when you offer your service to them. So the reason why I collected your money here to, to teach you this course, it was because I was offering you a service. I was solving one of your problem. Okay, you wanted to improve your skill and you wanted a course. So I came in for your aid. Okay, so I want to make this statement very clear. I know some of you guys would say I'm an introvert. You know, me, I don't talk to people. You know, me, I don't talk to people anyhow. I don't attend uh, social gatherings anyhow. I don't, do stuff like that. Doesn't associate so much. But here is one thing. Please remove that pride, remove that introvert stuff. If you are to make money, you can't say that you are an introvert. Okay? You, you can't say that you're an introvert when it comes to making money. When this skill that you have entered in the business, you can't say that you're an introvert. Okay? You can't say that you're an introvert. Probably maybe when it comes to, I don't know, when you grow, your business grows, you're at that level whereby, people work for you, you're just there, doing the managerial stuff. Maybe then you can say, no, me, I don't do that. But trust me, even then, business, you can't do away with people. Okay? You can't do away with people. Stop saying that people are not important. Okay? So, here's the thing. Um, Earlier as a graphic designer, I used to get few clients, okay, because I didn't consider people to be so much important, okay. Yeah, like on Facebook, I didn't even want like accepting somebody's friend request, issues of getting contacts, issues of networking. It's something that I didn't want, okay. But later on, I noticed that there's no way that you can make money if you don't network with people. Okay, the money that you're looking for is with people. You won't find it on the Lord. You won't find it dropped anywhere. It is with the people. Okay, so the thing is that you need to network. All right, you need to network. So after learning this, trust me, I changed my mindset. I can so also say that I'm somebody who can say no, me, I'm an introvert. I don't want to associate with people so much. But after learning this, trust me, my mindset changed. Okay, so all of you here, you are here because I know that. Uh, uh, okay, let me put it this way. I had to advertise the course to you because I knew that you have the money that you can pay. Okay? And that's why you paid. Just imagine if I was advertising this course uh, to monkeys in the bush. Would I have gotten the money? No. Advertise to people. Okay? So your services, you advertise to people. Okay? The more people you reach, trust me, the more people you reach, the more you are likely to make money. Okay? So as you grow, you get to experience. You notice afterwards that it really doesn't matter the number of people that you get, but the quality of clients, the type of clients that you get. Okay, you can get few clients that are paying you well, and you can be better than somebody who has so many clients, so many projects, but paid less. Okay, but all in all, you need people around you. Relationships and people are important to your business. It's something you can't do away with. It's something you can't do away with. I want to take note of this point. I want you to type in the comment section. Now I want to type, money is found in strangers. Okay? Money is found in strangers. I want you to type that. Okay? I can repeat again. Money is found with strangers. Your family members, your people, your friends, okay, your whoever that is, that you think is so close to you, those people will not pay you. Those people don't have your money. Okay? Trust me, your family will not pay you. Money is found in strangers. Please get this. Find strangers, solve their problems, and they will pay you. Okay? Your friends will come pleading you to design a birthday flyer at 20 kwacha. Who does that? Who designs a flyer? Is there a design for 20 kwacha? Is there a design for such an amount? That is a friend for you. I'm telling you, you've got this friend, you've got this family member who come to say, no, just do some free work for me. Okay? But here comes a stranger in your inbox. They've just been recommended, they've just been referred. Maybe they just saw your advert. They come, they say, how much do you do your design? You tell them and you ask for the payment. They pay you design, business closed. Okay? But your friend, your family member, it will be negotiable. It will be, I don't know how I'm going to put it. They'll give you a bad experience. So focus on strangers, focus on meeting new people, focus on getting new people. All right? Not your friends, not your family. Please, and let me tell you something. You're not starting this graphic design skill because of your family. You're not starting this skill because of your friends. No. Okay, so don't be surprised if they don't support you, if they don't come to patronize you, if they don't show you support. Don't be surprised. Trust me, save yourself from this stress. Okay, you're not starting a business for them. They didn't tell you to go and learn this skill so that they can now come and patronize you so that they can now they can be coming to you for their designs. No. Okay. So some people will I've seen some people complaining, no, you friends, families, don't do them that, don't support the my friend. They didn't send you to start that business. Okay? So focus on strangers. It's them that have the money. Alright? Money is not missing. It's not missing anywhere. It's probably you who is missing a point. Okay? So I want to tell you something here. As you get to work with clients, as you get to work with different people, please build relationships. Build relationships. Handle your clients well. Okay? Give your clients a customer service. Trust me, I can tell you that most of the projects that I've had, some of you, I can say big projects that I've worked on from me, they came from recommendations. Okay? It's the people that recommend you. It's not the Lord. It's not, the trees. It's not the car. It's people that recommend. Okay? It's the people that recommend. I have been recommended most of the. I'm currently working on a project. We're just getting started. Actually, we've not even signed the contract, but probably tomorrow. This project I'm working on came through by recommendation. Okay, it came through by recommendation. Who recommended me? It's people. What type of people? The people that I've worked with before, the people that knows what I do. Okay? So for people to recommend you, trust me, and let me tell you something. There's a way that recommendation projects works. Somebody was being recommended, most of them, they won't come and ask you, no, let me see your work, this and that. They trust the recommender. Okay, they'll just come and say, how much is this and that? You tell them, and then they'll proceed with you. Okay, they proceed with you. Why? Because they know that somebody recommended that you do a good work. All right? So, for you to get recommendations, each time you get to work on a project, you should be saying to yourself that this project will bring another project. So, I should put in my best. If I don't do well, that means this project will fail to bring another project. Okay? Some people recommend just because of the work you have done. Okay? Others, you can ask them, please do well to recommend me to others. Okay, if you hear somebody who needs my services, do well to recommend. Okay, so here is the thing. Let me tell you something. How do you explain? Let me tell you something. There are big companies right now. Okay, there are companies somewhere out there that have terrible designs. There are companies out there that have like they post rubbish on their pages on Facebook. Okay? Like what I mean is the designs are not good. Okay? The designs are not good. But sometimes you get to ask yourself that you see a certain designer working for a big company with no, the skill is not even that much. The person is not even good. It's not even as good as you. Okay, but they find themselves in working for that big company. They find themselves in those shoes. How do you think they got there? How do you think that they got to work with people, and you who is highly skilled still don't have still don't having challenges in getting clients, still don't have a retainer client, still don't have a job as a graphic designer? How? Relationships may be one of them. Okay, it's possible that those people just knew one person and that person connected them to that opportunity. Okay, connections are not evil. Okay, if you're one person here that makes connections to be evil, that puts that perception of terming connections to be evil, you must be wrong. Connections are not wrong. They're not evil. I mean, connections are not evil. And connections are created, they can be created. Okay? There's nothing like I wasn't born with connections. My father, no. Connections can be created. How do you create connections? Through relationships with people. Okay? That is it. When you talk about connections, you're talking about relationship with people. Somebody knows this and that. They still connect you to that opportunity. So now, if you are saying, no, me, I'm an introvert, me posting on Facebook, me, no. Like, me going for an event to network, me, I can't. You see, my friend, you'll be broke. Okay, you think as if, learning a skill wasn't something that could help you, when it was. Okay, so make sure that you take this seriously. Okay, network, see people that you can learn from, network with other graphic designers. Okay, in this same group where network. Okay, know each other. Sometimes you may be found in a place where you are unable to design. You are probably busy with something else. You may refer that project to your friend that you know who is a favorite graphic designer, and you help. That is relationship. That is the relationship that you should be working towards to build. Okay, you find somebody who knows better than you. Some graphic designers, there are a number of graphic designers out there that are better, that you can learn from. Okay, connect with them, learn from them. Nothing like competition. All right. Yeah. So I want to talk. I think I talked about place right now, but let me probably mention it again. Talk about the promotion and then you're done. So promotion, okay? How to promote your services, okay? So one thing is leverage free advertising, okay? So start with your circle, all right? Start with your circle. So you've got Facebook, you've got WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, we've got so many people. And on WhatsApp, we can find people in two places. Number one, WhatsApp groups. Okay, you find people in WhatsApp groups. Number two, you find people on your WhatsApp status, those that are in your contacts. It's those people that you start with. Okay? When it comes to promoting your services, promoting your products, please don't be ashamed. Okay? Don't be ashamed. Promote. Post daily on your status. Post daily on your Facebook. There is absolutely no problem. People must hear you. Preach about your business. Preach about your services. No one will know if you don't talk about it. Okay? No one is going to find you. So, as a graphic designer on WhatsApp, join groups where you can at least post some of your work, where you can advertise your graphic designer. Okay, most of the groups, of course, not all the groups are relevant for you as a graphic designer, but some you may find people that are looking for designs. Okay, post. Trust me, I want to tell you this, that you're not going to see the results instantly. You're not going to be getting the clients instantly. Okay, but afterwards you are going to get the clients. Okay, so one thing that I can tell you is when I was just starting out, maybe nowadays you may not see me posting every day about me being a graphic designer, but I would tell you one thing. The time I was just starting out, I'm telling you, I was posting consistently. I remember even joining design challenge. That challenge really helped me improving my skill. That challenge helped me in being consistent with posting. So post your work. Post your work. Okay? Do not be ashamed. Post your work. No matter how good your product, your designs are. If people don't get to know you, my friend, there is nothing that you're doing. Okay? And please know your target audience. Okay? Know your target audience. So no matter how good your product, no matter how good your design is, if you don't get your target audience who have design needs, who needs your designs, those people, if you don't get them, I don't know, you can specialize if you want. Okay, if you don't get your target audience, you fail with flying colors. Okay, you won't make any money as a graphic designer, I'm telling you. So uh, if you want, like, define your target audience. Let's say you are somebody who you've noticed that you are good at flyer church flyer designs. You like church flyer designs, you enjoy making them, and they come out nicely. Okay, so you can probably try to measure into that and target churches. Okay, target religious organizations. All right, because that can be your you can be doing other type of designs if you get to find them. But if that is what you have seen that you can do well, go for it. Specialize in it. Whenever you are advertising, you advertising to churches. Okay, see how you can cross deals with them. If you are somebody who is just into social media designs, you know you love social media designs. See businesses that needs designs regularly. Okay, not everybody who needs the social media designs every day, but there are some designs that needs the social media. There are some companies, I mean, which needs social media designs every day. Okay, so it's possible to be a designer and very broke if you're not strategic. All right, you can be just making little money here and there, and you think as if the skill is not profitable. Okay, so if you fail to follow these simple marketing tips I'm giving you, trust me, I will beat it for you. Some of you will be like, no, me, I want to get graphic design. We hear that you've gone to learn other skills. You hear, well, the next thing we hear that is you are trying catering. Okay, but in what regards, almost every group, uh, if you just follow these tips, I'm telling you, you are going to make some money from the industry. And one thing is, there are some things that it's only the experience is going to teach you, right? It's only the experience that is going to teach you. Trust me, be somebody who is ready to learn. Okay, the journey, as you get to work with clients, interact, you learn so many things along your journey. Okay, it's not everything that I can teach you here. Okay, so uh, when it comes to communications, we can't do away with designs. Almost in every communication right now, we need some form of design. Okay, so connect with people on WhatsApp. Let them save your numbers. See how you can connect. Increase your status viewers. Reach a bigger audience. Okay. You remember, I was just trying to in the few minutes ago, I was emphasizing how you need to produce quality services, why you need to make sure that you give quality services to your clients. Okay, if you are good at something, people recommend you. As you get to post, let me tell you something. Let me tell you what consistency does. Okay, the time that you are posting, the time that you get to show up. Okay, you show up because so that, okay, get this clear, you show up so that the day that you not show up, the days you showed up will show up for you. Okay, sometimes you may find yourself in a position whereby you cannot post, you cannot advertise, but you still get clients. Do you know why? Because you've built a track record. People knows you, right? You've posted enough that people knows you, that wherever they are they can comment you, right? So one thing is, you need to make sure that you preach about your services. Don't feel uh, ashamed of it. Okay, don't feel ashamed of it. Promote. Okay, so if at all you are able to even advertise on maybe Facebook pages anywhere, go for it. Do the advertisements. If you're able to sponsor an ad on Facebook, go for it. Okay, the thing is, promote yourself, post your designs daily, no matter what the case. Okay, let the people that are in your contacts, the people that feel your status, whenever they think of a designer, Whenever they see an opportunity for designer, let them think of you. Make the noise. Okay? Trust me, let me tell you something. One thing I've noticed is that the people that make too much noise even get to make more money than those that have that provide so much value. Okay? Your value is useless if people cannot taste of it. Your value is useless if people cannot know about it. Okay? If you don't communicate your value to people, it's useless. Somebody out there with useless, lavish designs but making noise, posting, advertising is getting clients than you, who is making quality designs, valuable, new results. Okay? But because you undervalue, because you underrate the importance of advertising yourself, you're not getting clients. Okay? So post. Right? Your friends can also play an important role in this area. Okay? If they can post for your work, post some your work on their status, wherever, you can ask them to do that. Okay? What do you think big companies pay so much money when it comes to advertising? Okay? Check how banks sponsor events. Check how they spend. Okay? Why do you think of that? It's not that they just want to give out money, sponsor for nothing. They are trying to get to the mind of people. Okay? They are trying to get to the brains of people. All right? They won't advertise once and stop. No. They want each time you think of a product, you think of them. Okay? So you need to make sure that you advertise. All right? You need to reach more people to have clients. All right? So um, I think we can end here. You can take your questions and then we close the session. If you have any questions, please kindly let me know. Drop them in the comment section and then I'll be able to answer the questions. I've got another meeting in the next 10 minutes, so let's do this quick. CV. The question is, is it okay to put you and Madam Child as referees on a CV? Do you upload our data from within WhatsApp? You do a backup. Do a backup on WhatsApp. So reference on the CV. So don't put charity. Just put GitHub Media. Sorry, GitHub Skills. Alright. There's that a certificate which can speak, which is speaking already. You have a certificate. So together with for the reference, you can put. Okay, it's fine. You can put my name anyway. GitHub Skills Instructor. You can put me there. There's no problem. Okay. Any other question? So I think tomorrow will be the last day. We are going to finalize and talk about a lot here. Okay, looks like you don't have questions. Have you learned something today? Please just let me know if you've learned something so that we can close the meeting. Okay, I hope you found something valuable. Okay, thank you so much, Mundia. Right, so tomorrow we can like to finalize the session. Yeah, please don't miss tomorrow. We've got a lot. Make sure that you also prepare the list with the questions that you have. Okay, make sure that you prepare the questions that you have. Tomorrow we'll even talk about the post I made today about doing free work. Tomorrow we're going to talk about that. So you can join the Facebook groups for graphic designers. On WhatsApp, you can join basically any group. Okay. Yeah. So thank you so